Today we have lost in Martin McGuinness not alone a great Irish leader and patriot, but we have also lost a friend. It's fair to say that we are heartbroken. Martin was an inspirational Irish Republican, a tireless worker for Ireland, for unity, for peace and for reconciliation. And it was my privilege to call him my friend. He will never be forgotten. His legacy is a peaceful future, that future that he helped to secure for our island, and the advancement of the movement for Irish unity, which gathers pace year on year. Our thoughts and our condolences are with Martin's family today. I think all of you will agree with me when I say that Martin wasn't just any ordinary politician. He was a unique figure, a one-off, born into a particular set of circumstances in his beloved Derry, a man who never flinched from taking risks, who at times forced all of us into positions that were uncomfortable at times politically for us, but a man who always pursued what he believed to be right. And we are devastated at his loss. We loved him dearly, and our thoughts firstly and foremostly are with Bernie and with his family. Martin McGuinness, as consummate a politician and as deeply immersed in struggle as he was, his family still came first, and that was so till the very, very end.